Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how your webinar is being promoted. Whenever you have a webinar, you will try to have those links to the webinar on your website, social media, YouTube, and so on. Every time that you will have a promotion, you will like to track it and see how this promotion performs. In Zoho Webinar, we have a way to do that. So let's go to our webinar, and this is the webinar that Carol created in the previous lesson. So I will click on that, and then I will go to the promote section. On the bottom, you will see few lead sources that were added before, or you can click on add source and you can do it yourself. So in this case, I will have 3 lead sources. I will have one on the website, I will have one on Facebook and one on TikTok. Let's assume that I want to have a promotion on my website. I will click here on this link. It will provide me a dedicated URL. So let's go to sites.zoho.com and we'll click on that. We'll go to pages. I will edit the content and I will write here. I will have another element that will be a text. Join our webinar. Obviously, you will make something nicer than that, and then I will select it. It's not a page, it's a web URL. Perfect, and let's publish. And now let's refresh. Okay, so I have here join our webinar. When I click on it, it will send me to a sign up. And now if I will go here and I will refresh the page, you will see that the website got another click. So you can see that I have now 2 visitors that came from the website. This is a fantastic way to see how many people are clicking on your link, how many of them actually being registered. Now, the registered sometimes takes a little bit of time, like 30 minutes to 1 hour. So if you don't see the results immediately, don't be worried, it works fine. So that will be a very nice way to track your lead sources and see if they are clicking on your link and if they are converting to registrations.